What up, y'all? Dash Kings with TG. And boy, when I say shit get crazy, man, I think that's an understatement, bro.
This is all I got. This is all I got. Don't take my baby, okay?
So let me get out here and show y'all what's going on. But this is why I tell y'all, you know, for situations, man, you gotta just be cool. You know what I'm saying? Being frantic and all of that type of stuff, it ain't gonna really help in your favor. So let me get out here and show you what's going on. But boy, I tell you, man, it's always good to be blessed, man. I'm thankful. I'm thankful that I am favored. Not to get real Christian-y on you, but let me show you what's going on. So, I am in Virginia. Tennessee, Virginia borderline. Truck totally goddamn crashed out. So, y'all can see straight wilderness. You can't even really see what's going on. But let me show you this. This is oil, by the way. Look at that. Look at that. Drive shaft done.
Don't take my baby. I'm at $13,000 a month. What more do you want from me? Oh my God.
Drive shaft done. Drive shaft done. So let me get back in this truck. Drive shaft done, y'all. This is what we looking like. Shit on the ground, my nigga. On the ground. Drive shaft done. Absolutely done. Absolutely done. So, I will get with y'all in a minute. Peace.
Riding around with yeah. Gotta grind hard, gotta stack it yeah. Grind hard, gotta get it yeah. Grind hard, gotta stack it Grind hard, gotta get it No beast, no dog. I'm just really a new breed on you, dog. It hurts to say that people keep no loyalty. Work your way, real and show that loyalty. Cause I still ride with them. When I go see them, I just hit 5 with them. 20 years in, you can't get tied to it. Boys to the men, and we get tied to it, hey.
So y'all, like I was saying before, man, as you see, drive shaft is on the floor. So let me explain to you what happened. So let me get settled. So man, damn. Now mind you, all of that on the floor is diesel fuel because my APU system is also connected to my diesel. So anyway, I'm driving and I'm hearing like a hard clanks. I'm driving, I'm hearing hard clanks. I'm not thinking nothing of it because the week prior I had heard it, but it went away. It was kind of like a grind, like and then you know what I'm saying? So I ain't think nothing of it. I'm like, okay, yeah, I mean, I heard that before, but it usually turned over and, you know, go away. So pick up my load today, pick it up in Columbia, Tennessee. Drive there from Nashville, go pick it up by the hour way, pick it up. Then I hear it, but it goes away. Cool, okay, that ain't nothing, you know, it went away, it's nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, we getting on down the road, man. I done made it past Knoxville. Now, it wound up being a crash in Knoxville that had held 40 up. And that's a long story short there, but, I mean, essentially, man, you know, somebody crashed out. And they pretty much shut all of the highway going westbound. So you had to get off. To get back on, right? So that was an intense situation, to say the least. You know, because I was in the second. I wasn't all the way in the left lane, but I was in the second to left lane. And I had to merge all the way over to the right lane. And if you've ever driven in Knoxville, man, you know that shit is a very trafficked place. Like, that place has a lot of traffic, bro. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I wound up getting over, and you know, I had some nice truckers. A Walmart trucker helped me out, and he let me over, and you know, he gave me the right of way, and I blinked him back. Thank you, brother. You know what I'm saying? It kept it moving. So we getting on down the road, man. I go another 60, 70, 80 miles. I'll say 60. Then I hear truck violently shaking, bro. Violently shaking. So I'm like, whoa. I pull over immediately. I get out and I see. I don't see nothing that time. I don't see the drive shaft was still connected. It wasn't smoking, it wasn't leaking, nothing. So it was like, well, let me limp this to a place. Now, I wish I could show you, because just up there is a rest area 2 miles ahead. 2 miles ahead. Rest area. So anyway, I'm getting there. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm going 50, got my asses on. You know, now I done finally made it to Virginia. I'm in Virginia right now. This happened on the Virginia-Tennessee borderline. I'm about 11 miles into Virginia. And I'm on Highway 81. So if you know, you know. I get past a little bit past Bristol, and I see sparks, smoke, everything. I'm talking about just everything, just on the ground, dog. Everything on the ground. I'm like, oh shit, this going crazy. I'm talking about the whole dashboard, just everything. It was a Christmas. It was like a Christmas tree. How many lights was flashing and going off? The whole drive shaft fell off. This has never happened to me before, guys. And why I say you rest on your suspicion, because last week when I heard that noise, I was like, that don't sound right. But you know, I'm gonna get home, and you know, holiday season, you know, I gotta get home, and I'm gonna get home or whatever. So, you know, I do that. I make it home, you know. And when my old lady took me to the yard today, she saw me looking at the drive shaft. She was like, "Is everything all right with it?" I was like, "I don't know. It's just something don't look right." I'm not like a mechanic to know everything like that. But it was just like some don't look right about the situation. You know what I'm saying? So here it is. I'm in this situation now. I guess I was right. My intuition was right. You know? It sucks because You know, I was trying to get to Highway 77 to get into North Carolina, and you know, as you see, I was about, you know, 147 miles from that exit, all to the destination. Actually, altogether, 147 miles. So, I wasn't really too far off, but this is how it goes in this industry, man. You gotta just be prepared. I don't really know what to say, but you know, I'm gonna make sure y'all get all the footage that y'all need to see and everything. And I talked to dispatch, overnight dispatch, and they got me set up. Somebody's supposed to be coming to tow me 2 miles down the road to a Volvo dealership. But this is a big fix, so I don't think I'll be in this truck anymore. They'll probably give me a new truck. But thing is, man, I got some clothes and stuff in here, and I'm gonna have to clean this truck out, and it just makes it tough, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, I was just wanted to give me some rest. But you know, I'm just blessed that it didn't go as bad as it could have went. Right now, at the moment, I'm just trying to just get off the highway. You truckers still be doing the dumb shit, man. He's a good trucker because he got over in the other lane. But some of you niggas is still, some of you folks are still riding in the lane close to me. I got my cones out and everything, and you still riding in the lane. And you shouldn't, because no one is on this highway right now. Like, you know, I got my hazards on. I got my lights on in the front. Like, I don't know, man. Yeah, so as you see, I'm just kind of blown. Look, there's one right there. He just did it. Look, see, he riding next to me. Silly. Is he gonna do it too? Ride next to him. Well, nah, he didn't. He was old. He was old. But to that idiot in the front, fucking idiot, man. We gotta stop being dumb as truckers, man. You gotta be, you know, you gotta be cautious, bro. That's just dumb to do. Every time I see a truck on the side of the road, I always get over it. I don't never cramp him or her, him or her. Y'all don't be offended. But anyway, man, I'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. Look, here it is, man. We up in the house. Look at that thing. That's crazy. I'm still leaking fuel, huh? Still leaking fuel. Crazy, man. Boy, lift it up. It's cold as fuck out here. damn brakes. Shit. Shit. Yeah, so what we doing now, y'all? Manually releasing the brakes. I'm so fucking cold right now. My man down there working hard. Crazy, man. It's been a crazy day. That's the whole drive shaft, man. Y'all never seen one out of place? Well, there you go. Alright. How we looking? Alright, y'all. Hopefully we get on the road. I'll let y'all in a minute. Peace. What up, y'all? Dash Kings with TG. So, as you see, I'm towed to a new spot. It's been a groggy morning, man. Like, you gotta remember, man, I had been up hours before actually doing my run, so it wound up running over into 24 hours altogether. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm just trying to fight through it, man. I got another one of my trucker brothers coming to pick me up, and back to Nashville we go. But before I end this video, I want y'all to see everything that was going on, man. So here you go. This is what y'all saw last night that was hanging from the bottom of my truck. Now, excuse the dirtiness of the truck. It just got dirty like this because, you know, obviously, you know, I'm packing my stuff up. And luckily, I ain't had too much stuff, but you know how it goes, man. Sure, I ain't gonna sit here and explain everything. Y'all know how it go, man. If you especially if you a trucker, man, you know how this shit go. You know how this shit go, man. So, but let me show y'all. I'm gonna get out here and show y'all real quick. And this is lightweight snow out here in Virginia, man. So, there go my trailer right there. Somebody gonna have to come and pick that up, but I don't know why this ACU unit want to keep trying to come on, knowing that it can't. Like this is crazy. But the truck needs a lot of work, man. Obviously, you see it's gone. Cut that off, man. Cut that off. Yeah, so that's what's going on, man. That's what's going on, man. So, you know, trying to get all this done and get stuff done, man. And at this point in time, man, like December, I'm already tired of you. I'm already tired of you, December. Nah, I'm just bullshit, man. It's get money month, so this ain't gonna stop nothing, man. You know, I was blessed, you know what I'm saying, to be able to get over, you know what I'm saying, and park my shit and have somebody come fix on it and tell me where I needed to go. So, just a life lesson to you guys, man. Don't let stuff like this discourage you. Keep pushing, you know what I'm saying, because there's always something better, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Got a lot more coming for you, man. And always remember, man, put your seatbelts on, get ready for the ride. See you next time. Peace.
How many ride with no kin? When we was kids, used to share a nigga rib. And when things got crazy, a nigga spin the bin. And if things get crazy, a nigga split the wig. Hey, I'm just grind, dog. I don't need no haters, all. If it's not about the bitch, it means you just talking, dog. Riding around with, yeah. Gotta grind hard, gotta stack it, yeah.